He does not wake up for motivation, he wakes up for discipline. While others make excuses, he shows up every single day. The gym is not just a place for him, it's where he feels alive. Every drop of sweat tells a story of pain, sacrifice, and growth. He does not fear the struggle, he embraces it because this is not just training, this is his lifestyle. Early mornings, late nights, no shortcuts, no easy days. He built himself rep by rep, set by set. He does not just train, he lives the gym life.